Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you back to this session. We are going to look at question number 4, that is in our subsidiary ICT paper 2, which was done this year 2025. That is S850/2 paper 2 practical November 2025. UNEB, that is UACE, Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education. And remember, we have handled or attempted so far question number 1 about word processor, Microsoft Office Word. Then we handled question 2, that was about database. Then we also handled question 3, that was about publisher. Then in today's session, we are handling question 4, which is about spreadsheet, what we call Microsoft Excel. And says, open a spreadsheet application of your choice, copy and paste in data from midmax.docs support file folder, save the workbook as your name and personal number. So here we go. You right click, you come and open our folders. Remember, folder so far three questions, and if your candidate is enough for you, but since I wanted it to complete all the 5 numbers, we have to attempt that the remaining 2 numbers so that we make 5. But as a candidate, this is 3 numbers enough for you to excel in this practical. But you're going to add another one for the purpose of learning. We're going to launch Microsoft Excel. You right click, then we write our names, which is Faizo. That is 501. We open it. Remember, according to the question, it seems that we have to open our support file. There is a support file which is provided. We come here, we open it. They have told us it's called Midmax, so we're gonna open Midmax. We look at it. This is the file. This is how it looks like. This is the contents. We're gonna click on that close or plus symbol. We copy the content. You can copy everything. This is highlighting everything. We come to our Excel, which we have just created. We come and paste. Let's right click and paste. So this is our data. It's already pasted, as you can see. Let me try to expand a bit. So this is our data. We have done that. So after that, let's go to the question. Insert a new column between math and physics or physical education and name the column history. So we're gonna come to the first word here because work's done. Then we come and open our Excel. We come and click on physical education, right click on it. We insert, maybe they want a new column between math and physical education. Click entire column. And we name it history. History. So once that is done, the question is enter the scores in history column. These are the scores they want us to enter. 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 9, 7, 1, 7, 2, 8, 1, 6, 9, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 5, 8, 7, 6, 7, 7. So these are the scores we're gonna put under history column. So you're gonna type 5, 6. Then there's 4, 5. there is 6971. I stopped on 72 to remember. Let me go back and check. 816956777867. So we're gonna come back and enter the remaining ones. That is from 72. Then we have 81. We have 69. Then we have 56. Then we have 77. We have 81 again. We go back and confirm. We have 584570. So we have then 667777. So we have here 5845. Here we have 70. We have 66 and 77. That's what I remember. So we have our data filled in the history column. We save the changes. So from there we have another question. Use the function or formula to determine the highest score in physics education or physical education. So we're gonna come here. Let's first put some borders on our work. We come to all borders here. Make our work look a bit organized, as you can see for now. So we put here the highest scores in physical education. Highest score in physical education. So let's look at where it is. The column. This column is here. So this is where we're gonna put the formula equal sign max. We open the brackets. So we can highlight all this. Then we enter. So that is it. Then from there we're gonna calculate the lowest score in comp studies. So we're gonna come and say lowest score in comp studies. Well, the column for computer is here, the last one. Let's put in this column, in this row here. So here we're gonna say mean, open brackets, we highlight all this, we close, we enter. This is the lowest scores. Then the next median score for X-ray, median score. So we're gonna come here, we type median, score in X-ray. So where is X-ray column? Here. So we're gonna write cosine median. Double click on it. We highlight all up to down. We click enter. So this is the median in X-ray. As you can see, this was for physics, physical education, computer studies, and X-ray. So we can also put them in a border. Then from there we go to the next question, which says class positions of the students based on the average score. class positions of the students based on the average score. So here we're gonna come and put another column for average. Then we come and get the average for all these subjects. Let's start for this student at Mango. Then we enter. So here we just autofill. Yes, once we are done with autofilling, here there is round off the subject average score to 0 decimal places. So we're gonna come here and reduce the decimal places to 0. I think that is it. You can also put this in. Yeah, that is it. Then here, remember they wanted the position based on average. Position of the students based on average, that is equal sign. We're going to rank. Open the bracket. We're going to base on average. Then we're gonna put if we're gonna highlight all this. Then we're gonna put function for. Then we're gonna enter. So this is the position for these learners. Good. Then once that is done, include a suitable title for the data. So here we're gonna insert a title. How do we do that? We're gonna right click, we insert entire row here and put there the title like mid max for students. (2025). So we can highlight this, or we can highlight up to this part here, margin center. We can increase the size. We can give it a color. We can bold it. We can change its style to Algerian, for example. Yeah, that is the position. That is the heading. Let's put this one up here. Yeah, to make the data look organized, as you can see. Then we can try to bold this first. Make it a bit organized. And double click. Very good. Then let's go to the next question, which says insert a class column row based on name, English, and math data. Then change the chat location to initiate. So English and math, name, English, and math. So we're gonna come here. We highlight the name column. So let's first also try to make it. Let's first make these columns orderly. Yeah, let's make them orderly. Perfect. Then from there we're gonna highlight the name column. We hold, we pressing Control key. They wanted English column also, plus math column. Then we come to insert. We come to columns. This is the clustered column, so we tap there. Perfect. This is the clustered column is done. Then we can click here, move chart to a new sheet. We can call this one, this new sheet called clustered. Clustered column. Then we click OK. Good. So column, our chart is here. We can even change chart type. No, let's leave it there. Let's leave it at that. Maybe we can change the layout. Let's call this. Let's see how that one's gonna look like. No. Let's click back. They can put the title here. You can say clustered